Morning guys, day 30 of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. Today is basically our last challenge. However, we did obviously there's 31 days in May, which is what this challenge has been streamed across as. So we have actually decided to include a bonus video which will come out tomorrow. So today is the last day of the challenge where you're assembling parts and you're working towards building your skills. Tomorrow is a nice video where we're assembling all our components together for one final assembly piece. So let's have a look at today's challenge. Today's challenge is the last part for the arbor. This is our rack. Hope you can start to see how these components can start fitting together. Again, it's still an inch, and again, to make it nice and easy, I've even included a nice detailed view of double the scale, so you can start to get an idea of how these teeth are made. So this is today's challenge. Keep the comments coming in. It's really nice reading the comments that you're putting across YouTube, Instagram. Yeah, really glad everyone sort of picked up bits across the 30 days. Thanks very much. And obviously keep staying tuned. If you haven't subscribed and you like the content, please do, because we're going to be hopefully rolling up some more challenges across the coming weeks and months. So once again guys, tune in for 6 PM for the solution. I look forward to speaking to you then.